Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Hope you all are fine and taking care of yourself. Yes? Okay. You all are not going outside unnecessary? Yes? Very good. So, children, now tell me what is the day today? Fast. Yes, today is Monday. Hope you all have learned your timetable. Yes. Now tell me that on Monday, which subject we are studying? Fast. Yes, very good. We are studying subject English. What we are studying subject English. And in English today, what we are going to do? Today, again we are going to do exercise in our Shrima English workbook. Okay. Previously, what we have done? We have done mark, which is different. And today in Shrima English workbook, which exercise we are going to do? We are going to do circle, which is similar. Circle, which is similar. Now in circle, which is similar, what you have to do? Alphabets will be shown to you. Okay. Now you have to circle the letter which is similar to the given letter. Okay. Okay. Say like I have written here A, then B, then C, then A. Okay. Now suppose A is our question. Okay. A is question. Now we have to circle the alphabet which is similar to A. Okay. Now next is B. Is this similar to A? No. Now C. Is it similar to A? No. A is similar to A. So what we are going to do? We are going to circle letter A. Okay. Like this we have to do the exercise. Circle which is similar. Okay. Previously in mark which is different, what we have done? The letter which is given, we have to mark. We have marked the letter which is not matching the given letter. Okay. Which was different. Now today we are going to circle the alphabet which is similar to the given alphabet. Okay. So children, let's start. Yes. See, this is your book page and heading is there, circle which is similar. Now the first is B. Okay. Now what we are going to do? From these alphabets, we are going to circle the alphabet which is similar to B. Okay, which is looking same as B. Now in B, first one, D is given. Is it similar to B? No. Again D, is it similar to B? No. Again D, is it similar to B? No. Then B. B is similar to B. So what we are going to do? We are going to circle B. Okay, like this. B is similar to B. So what we have done? We have circled B. Okay. Now our next alphabet is M. Okay. Now in front of M, what are the alphabets which are given? N. Is it similar? No. M. Is it similar? So we are going to circle M. Then again it's N. It is not similar to M. Then again it's N. It is also not similar to M. N. M. So what we have done? We have circled M because it is similar to the M. Okay. Now the next letter is P. Now see here. Is B similar to P? No. Is B similar to P? No. Is P similar to P? Yes. So we have circled P. And last it is given B. So it is not similar. So we are not going to circle it. Okay. Now the next letter is W. Okay. Now tell me which one is similar. W, M, M, M. W is given. So we are going to circle W. Okay, because it is similar to W. It is same as W. So now U. Next is U. Now the letters given here are N, U, N, N. So what we are going to do? We are going to circle U. Because U is similar to U. Okay. Now the next letter is D. Okay. Now what we are going to do? We are going to circle D in the given question. So the letters are B, D, B, B. So D is similar to D. So we have circled D. Okay children. In the same way you all have to do this exercise in your Shrima workbook. Okay, if those who are not having the books, they have to do this same exercise in your English notebooks. Okay, then it is Y. Now we are going to circle Y. Okay, now Y, we are not similar to Y, so what we have done, we have circled Y because it is similar. Now last is Q, and the alphabets given are P, P, Q and P. So what we are going to do, we are going to circle Q. Okay, Q is given and we have circled the Q because it is similar to Q. Okay, understood? What we have to do? We have to circle the alphabet which is given. Okay, the same alphabet. Okay, like B and B is given. So we have circled the similar letter of B in this exercise of the given letters. Okay, so again we are going to do, see, here is the exercise. Now what we are going to do? We are going to circle the similar letter. Okay, first one, B is given. Okay, now D, 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 B. Which one is similar? Yes, B is similar. Good. Now M is given. Second one is M. Now N, M, N, N. Which is similar? Tell me. Yes, M is similar. So we have circled M. Now next is P. Now B, B, P, B. Which one is similar? Tell me. Yes, P is similar. So we have circled P. Now W. Now, the letters given are W, M, M, M. Now what we are going to circle? Yes, we are going to circle W. Now U. Next is U. And the alphabets given are N, U, N, N. Now what we are going to circle? Yes, we are going to circle U because U is similar to U. Now the next is D. Next is D. So alphabets given are B, D, B, B. So which one we will circle? We will circle D. Yes, very good children. Now the alphabet given is Y and the alphabets given here are Y, V. So which is similar? Y is similar to Y. So we have circled Y. Okay. Now the last is Q. Now alphabets given are P, P, Q, P. Now which one we will circle? Yes, we will circle Q. Okay children, in the same way you all have to do this exercise in your books, and the students, those who are not having the book, they can do in their English notebook, but you all have to purchase your book set also. Okay? Okay children. So see, in first one we have circled. In first one we have circled B is similar to B. Then we have circled M is similar to M. Then P is similar to P. W is similar to W. U is similar to U. D is similar to D. Y is similar to Y. And Q is similar to Q. Okay children. So we have done this exercise. Circle which is similar. Okay. Okay children, what we have done today? We have done circle which is similar. So your today's homework is, you have to do the exercise circle which is similar. Circle which is similar. Understood how you all have to do? You all have to do in your books, and the students, those who are not having their book, for a time being they all can do the exercise in their English notebook. Okay, but you all have to do children in your notebooks. Okay. Okay children, Take care. Bye bye. Sai Ram.